For today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to union two designs to create one without overlapping on CUTS ALOT3. So to begin, you have to have your design all ready. And for this video, I chose a design created for one of my customers whose husband is in the Air Force. So to start off, you see I have the Air Force word sitting there twice. So in order to do that, once you first type everything up, you want to highlight the whole word, go to layer, duplicate, and then after that you'll have two of the words Air Force. To start off, you're going to highlight the wording, go to object and shadow. So for this, we're going to use a 1.5 inch shadow. Once you do the 1.5 inch shadow, we're going to highlight the entire word plus the shadow and go back to object. And this time we're going to go to merge. Next we have to align the symbol with the wording. So wherever you want the words to go across the symbol, you have to align it perfectly. Once everything is aligned, we're going to highlight and center the design. Next, highlight path front minus back. After that, we're going to go to object break apart. Make sure the whole design is highlighted throughout this process. This next part is kind of tedious. In order to align it perfectly, you'll have to get rid of all the extra lineage in between the letters, so it's a clear path for the other word Air Force to fit. Now that you got rid of all the excess, you want to grab the additional Air Force and line it up perfectly inside the grooves. Once you have that lined up perfectly, we are going to highlight the whole thing, go to object, merge, and this part is complete. To finish it off, you want to add the remainder of the design and edit it to your liking. Here's an image of the finished product. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also comment what else you would like me to make a video on. Thanks for watching.